teacher, hello friends. My name is Shirin. Today I am going to tell about poem Raindrops. Little raindrops, J. Brownie. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, they won't let me go out of the door all today. They put away my art ratings because I broke them all. And then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They said I'm very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. Thank you.